3.9 billion people, 1 in 3 humans alive on this planet. That is the number at the end of this analysis. But to understand how we get there, we need to start with a question that sounds simple and isn't. Is your job secure? Most conversations about the future of work begin and end with artificial intelligence. But AI is only one of at least 8 major technological forces maturing right now. Solid-state batteries, humanoid robotics, quantum computing, autonomous vehicles, satellite connectivity, renewable energy, additive manufacturing, and yes, AI. Each of these is significant on its own. But what makes this moment different from anything in economic history is that all 8 are arriving at the same time. This is not disruption. Disruption, as Clayton Christensen defined it, is one technology entering one market. This is convergence. 8 forces amplifying each other across every sector of the global economy simultaneously. Before we measure the impact, we need a baseline. As of March 2026, the world population stands at 8.28 billion. Of those, roughly 3.5 billion people are employed, 42%. But that number hides a critical distinction. 1.8 billion are salaried workers with employment contracts. 1.5 billion are self-employed and freelance. And approximately 200 million work in the gig economy, platforms like Uber, Thyra, Upwork. That distinction matters enormously, because when displacement comes, it arrives through very different doors. Salaried workers are displaced through layoffs. A company announces cuts. It makes the news. It appears in government data. Workers receive severance. They file for unemployment. They are counted. But freelancers and self-employed workers are displaced through something far quieter. Demand evaporation. Clients stop commissioning work. Rates collapse. Contracts simply don't renew. There is no announcement, no severance package, no unemployment filing, and critically, no statistic. A freelance designer in London who loses 80% of her clients to AI-generated design doesn't appear in any labour database. She just goes quiet. AI alone currently touches about 10% of workers. Using conservative estimates, the classic Moore's law doubling every 18 months, AI capability reaches roughly 10 times current levels by 2031, 100 times by 2036, 1,000 times by 2041. But AI is only one of the 8. Multiply it by 7 other converging forces, and the impact doesn't grow linearly, it accelerates. By 2031, 100 to 150 million jobs at risk. By 2036, 400 to 550 million. By 2041, 800 million to 1.1 billion. More than 1 in 5 employed people on Earth. Let me show you how this works in practice. Take agriculture. AI alone can analyze crop data, but connect it to satellite imagery covering every field on Earth, power autonomous tractors with solid-state batteries, and guide robotic harvesters with computer vision. And you have a convergence chain that transforms an entire sector. Take transport. Autonomous trucks running on next-generation batteries with AI navigation don't just replace drivers. They eliminate the need for rest stops, shift schedules, and half the logistics infrastructure built around human limitations. Manufacturing. AI-designed products, 3D printed on demand, assembled by autonomous robots. The developing world. 3 billion people connected by satellite, accessing AI tools and the global labor market for the first time. No sector faces just one technology. The convergence is what changes everything. The displacement unfolds in 3 windows, and each one accelerates. Window 1, now to 2031. 100 to 150 million jobs at risk. 2.7 to 4.1% of the workforce. Concentrated in developed world white-collar roles and freelance professions. That is roughly the current population of Japan. High confidence. This is already underway. Window 2. 2031 to 2036. 400 to 550 million. Convergence chains reach critical mass. Autonomous farming, urban robotaxis, manufacturing automation. 10 to 15% of all workers. Window 3. 2036 to 2041. 800 million to 1.1 billion. Full convergence of all 8 forces. 20 to 28% of the global workforce. The question is not if, it is how fast. Of those 100 to 150 million jobs at risk in Window 1, 38 to 57 million are freelancers and gig workers. These people receive no severance package, no unemployment benefits, no advance warning. They don't generate layoff statistics, and no government policy protects them. Not fired, not counted. Just silence. The displacement has already started, and nobody is counting them. The timeline differs dramatically depending on where you live. In the developed world, Window 1 hits first. Finance, IT, freelancers, and trucking. By 2036, manufacturing, retail, and transport follow. By 2041, near full cognitive automation. In the developing world, the path is different. Satellite connectivity rolls out first, connecting billions. Then farm automation and factories shift. Then service sectors follow. North America and Western Europe are most exposed now, East Asia and India in Window 2. Sub-Saharan Africa in Window 3. Same destination, different arrival times. Employment statistics count workers, but every displaced worker exists within a family. The global average household is 3.5 people. When a primary earner loses income, whether through layoff or through demand evaporation, the impact cascades to children, to partners, to elderly dependents. By 2031, 350 to 525 million people affected. By 2036, 1.4 to 1.9 billion. By 2041, 2.8 to 3.9 billion people living in households where the primary income has been disrupted. 1 in 3 humans alive on Earth. This is not a workforce problem. This is a civilization-scale shift. 800 million to 1.1 billion jobs at risk. Up to 3.9 billion people affected. 1 in 3 humans on Earth. The question is no longer whether this will happen. The question is what we do about it. Part 2 of the Convergence Wave, the counterplan, addresses exactly that. What individuals, companies, and governments can do to future-proof against what is coming. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it. And if you want the full analysis behind these numbers, the 20-page thesis is linked in the description. Download it, read it, share it.